calling for the work of peace. There shall be no work of peace until justice prevails for every child that was massacred during the EndSARS protest. We want accountability. You will be mandated. You must do it to give the report and effect the report that has been issued by the tribunal. Our we are mothers and we are mourning. There is no peace in the land, and you are calling for the work of peace. I beg to tell you, if we do not seek justice for our children, no peace shall be in Lagos State. You turned our mourning into night. You turned our joy into sorrow. If other women are cowards, we are not cowards. We are not cowards. We are not cowards. And we will show to you that we are not cowards. Sanwo-Olu ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Sanwo-Olu ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Sanwo-Olu ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Ìwọ tó pọmọ lọ́mọ ò jẹ́ ó dàgbà. Ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Our Samuel, we are not bastards. No peace war. There shall be no peace war. There shall be no peace war until justice is given. You killed our children. You killed us. You have failed us. Who gave the order? Who gave the order? Who gave you the order to kill innocent protesters who are looking for a peaceful Lagos? Who gave you the order to kill innocent protesters who want a better Nigeria for their children? We have to make the streets safe. We want equitable love for every child. And there shall be no peace war. Sanwo-Olu, we are not mediocres. We are not fools. You have to do what is needful. Justice is what we want. Don't ever call me for such. I am a woman of valor. Don't ever call me for such. I don't work and we don't deal with murderers. Our Okindale, Abiyamoniwa, and we must do what is right for our children. If not for wickedness, people like you should not take us as fools. When parents are lamenting, when people are crying, when the land is at war, you are calling for a work of peace. You should be ashamed of yourself. If I were you, you will resign. You will need accountability. No peace work without justice. No. Nobody is coming with you. I am not coming to you. Go and tell your forefathers. Go and tell your hidden fathers. Go and tell the people giving you all the energy that we are ready. We are ready for justice, and justice we must get. Sanwo-Olu ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Sanwo-Olu ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Ìwọ tó pọmọ lọ́mọ tó jẹ́ ó dàgbà. You set up the tribunal. Sanwo-Olu ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ló dá. Ìwọ tó pọmọ lọ́mọ tó jẹ́ ó dàgbà. Thank you very much. Like I said, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, we are loyal to our motherland. And people like us, we will stand for nothing, for justice, for the common man. You leave, you apologize, or you go with your shame and walk your work of peace alone. There is blood in the land, and you are calling for peace war. Isn't that shameless of a man to do? Isn't that shameless of a governor to do? Ever since your reign, nothing peaceful. Where is the report? We want the report, or we are going to sue you for mandamus to exercise what is in the law. You set up the tribunal, and you cannot change anything. Because those people who have done the job have done what is expected of them.
You cannot be a judge in this trial.
You cannot be a judge in your own case. What we want is peace, and there shall be no peace war. No, there shall be no peace war. If you think we are joking on social media, we are here on the streets, and we are giving you a 7 days mandate notice to do the needful, or else all women, we will come out en masse and show you the power that we women have. We are not cowards. We are not cowards. We are warning you, Sanwo-Olu, don't ever in your life come offer us what is not for us. Okay? Thank you very much. You offer us what is not for us. Okay? Thank you very much. My name is Just Adetong.